Purchase a product. Go to Email to get files. Hold the button View your files on Etsy to copy the link. Go to the browser. I use Google. Paste the just copied link. Download files. Tap on an active link from the downloaded file. Find files at End on brushset for brushes and stamps, or swatches for palettes. Tap on the file. On the top right corner, you will see a small icon for download. Tap on it. On the bottom, you will see the active button Download. After that, in the same place, you will see the button Open it. Tap on Procreate. After that, brushes, stamps or swatches will be imported automatically in your Procreate.